Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Blender to create any of the 3D models. Use the Blender as a 3D modeling tools, and after that export the models and import into Unreal Engine 4 as make it become a game object, import into your game project in Unreal Engine 4. First, Blender is a free software. You go and download from this link. You can just scroll down, go to the bottom, check the video description, and click the Blender download link. You can download the installer of the Blender and install into your computer. I already installed Blender. Just type it here. Alright, this is the latest version of the Blender. First, before I create any of the models, the 3D models, I will delete these three objects. That is the light, the cube, and the camera. I select and press delete button to delete everything. Now I can start to have a demo on the modeling. I will just add here, add a mesh. For example, I add a cube. Alright, I add the cube after that. I may just start the modeling. I click here. This is to show all the textures. If I want to change the color, I can click the UV editing. I will click here. I plus new, and I will just change the base color. First, turn this on, and I change the base color. Let's say if I want to start modeling, I should go to layout, and I will click the modeling as well. This is the edit modes. Of course, I can edit. Maybe I want to change some of the points. I want to extrude out some of the surface. I click select the surface. E to extrude. Okay. To extrude the region. E is to extrude. S is to resize. So any of the 3D modeling. Alright, now I back to the layout. This is the object mode. If I want to create any other shape, you can see now the cube is just one mesh, just a mesh. A single mesh here, that is a cube. If I create another cube, or I create another mesh, for example, a cone here. Now, this cone is over here. Now, let's say if I want to add a cone here, and then I want to add a sphere here, add another sphere, the UV sphere. Of course, now I may want to change the color. Let's say if this cone is already selected. Okay, let's say if I want to change the color of the cone, I click the cone. I click UV editing, click plus new, and I may just assign a base color. For example, this one I want green. Same as the modeling just now, I can change the point, change the vertex. This one here is to choose the point that I can move as well. Alright, so now back to the layout, and now I want to edit this UV sphere. Of course, I want to change the color. Just plus new here. It's under here, plus new. The base color, I may just put it as yellow color, as I like. So now, because this is just a demo, I consider that the modeling process is finished. So the next, have to hold the shift and select one by one, and press Ctrl Z. Okay, hold the Control. Okay, select one first. Hold the Control to select everything, and Ctrl Z. We want to combine all the mesh. Hold the Control and hold the Control. Ctrl Z. Alright, so now I already combined everything to become just one single mesh. Make sure it's only one single mesh. After that, now I can export it out as file, export as FBX file. I'll export as demo, I'll export on my desktop. And make sure that the path mode is select copy. And turn this on. Click this one, model 01. This is a file name I export as a FBX file. Now the FBX file should be already on my desktop. I right click and refresh. Alright, now it's here, model 01. If I double click, it will automatically open with the 3D viewer. This is a 3D model. Now, I also can save this, save a Blender file to backup model 01. I save on my desktop. Save. Alright, so now it's the time to import into your Unreal Engine. Alright, sorry. This one I have to delete it because I missed one step. The scale. Okay, so file, export, FBX. The scale, you have to put 0.01 if you want to export to Unreal Engine 4. And here, make sure you select copy and already turn this on. Click Export FBX. Make sure you select 0.01. If you double click with the 3D viewer, can you still view it? Yes. So now it's the time to open your Unreal Engines. As demo, I will just use a new project, start a game, a new game project, and I will choose the third person. Next. So here, the project name, I will just put Blender to Unreal. Okay, Blender modeling to Unreal 01. Okay, this is just tutorial. So this is just my project name. I create a new project. Next. In Unreal Engine 4, I will show you step by step how to set the collisions. Actually, it is just very easy. Within 5 seconds, you can set the collision. Alright, so now, this is a new game project, a third-person project. First, I will click the content, and I will right-click here, open a new folder. Here, I will just name it Blender Model. Alright, I double-click into the Blender model. Next, I will drag in the model 01. Drag in. Here, make sure you don't take the skeleton mesh. And here, you click Import All. Here, you can close. And now, you have to wait for a while. It is loading all the materials. You really have to wait. Alright, now you can see this is a static mesh. If you drag into your game scenes, the scale, alright, the scale. So now it is too small. If I put 100, what will happen? Here, 100, and here, 100. Alright, now, this model is here. However, if you play, can you jump up to there? Cannot because of you not yet set the collision properly. So now next I'm going to set the collision. Press escape first, and this is the model 01 static mesh. You double click the static mesh somewhere here. you scroll down, go and find the collisions. The complex collision mesh, here you choose, sorry, not here. The collision complexity, you have to choose use complex collision. After that, click save, then close. Like that, it will automatic use the perfect collision. See, now all the collision already perfect. It follow the mesh. And that's all for today about how to use Blender as a free software, as a free 3D modeling tools to create 3D models, any of the 3D models, and export it out and import into your Unreal Engine 4 and import into your game project and set a collision properly, and now it already become your game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell to select all so that you can activate all the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy animation and game developing. See you.